Hey, what's up, guys? I'm Joseph Bivens. Welcome to Supercars Indianapolis, and today we're at my second ever Supercar Nights event. And what's very special about the Supercar Nights event is the fact that I run it. And so far we have 3 cars here, and there is an Alfa Romeo Giulia coming, so it should be pretty epic. Alright guys, just look at this BMW M4. Finished here in the gloss white with the red interior. It's a really cool spec. I love the carbon roof on this car. It's quite a cool car. And then right next to it is this very cool Ford Mustang. Even though it's a V6, he still obviously is making a serious effort to have a cool car. He's got aftermarket wheels. Alright guys, so we're going to hop into the BMW M4. Oh man, this interior is amazing. Right.
You know how to get there?
That was awesome.
I love that
He's
smell.
waving you by.
Left here. We'll go to a different one. Passive?
Yeah, passing. We need to get back. And go what? Come on, come on. Turn here. Turn here. Sorry, I don't usually come up on that quick. No cops here.
Alright, carpool right
Yeah, this is it. This is the road the police do not patrol. This is a very sharp corner up here.
there. Is it left here or right?
Left. Right takes you down a dead end. They didn't used to have a sign there, and I made that mistake. And there's a stop sign up ahead. Go ahead and hang a right.
Let's stay on the line. Let's stay on the line. It'll be funny online.
Are you?
God damn it.
What?
I didn't have enough space. Bitch, you're gonna stay fast enough, you slow ass.
Hey, man, where did you go?
I'm still behind the 2 cars.
No way.
There's no wasted time. Man, you are so full of it.
Okay, let's see how far we can go.
Where are we going? Straight or which way?
Oh yeah, I can blur faces some places, no problem. It's difficult, but I can do it.
Well, I feel like you haven't even recorded our faces.
Right.
Hey, you guys made a left off the freeway, right?
Yeah, 74 at TD.
Alright, bet. I'm on the freeway now.
When I was with Quadrifolio, when he had 183 that day, or 172.
That's cute. That's cute.
And what have you done? 140?
220. I forget what K.
I'm not getting K.
Whose radar was speaking?
Maybe Cade's. I'm right on his ass. I'm probably sending him K.
No, you're not right on my ass. You're about fucking 7 car lengths back there. Awkward silence. Hello?
What's up?
Hello? Some idiot up ahead of fucking... Man, where you at? I'm probably like 5 car lengths behind Aruba. Yeah, because I haven't turned off, fool. Gotta go.
Alright, Ben, we're really slow. Can you catch up?
I'm right behind Kay.
Oh, alright.
Oh, okay.
No, you're not. Oh, hey, wait. Give me like 3 seconds.
Oh
I can
my
check.
God.
Quarter mile, like, right behind. Hey, Kate, I whooped your ass earlier in that roll. Whatever, bitch. Let's race again, then. Get up here.
Come on, let's go. I'll
Alright,
cue
bet.
it.
45 roll. Okay, 45. And slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down. 45. Why don't we do like a 20? No, that's it. Alright, let's do 20 on the interstate. There ain't no cars for a minute. Hurry up, slow down.
There's one car coming up.
You do the honk. Honk. Go! Hey, let's get far in front of this car and then do it again. Alright. Go!
Alright, Ben, we have to take this turn at some point.
Well,
Please,
Oh, shit,
please,
no.
please, please. Cops, cops, cops. Take the exit for Pittsburgh and take a right.
damn. You got time.
Yep.
Hey, Drew, we're going up the front.
I'm going in front?
Drew, are you going? Yeah.
Alright.
Then you get in the, let me in the middle. Why y'all going so slow? Y'all tripping now.
No, I just wanted to move over a lane. Oh shit, there's... oh no. Oh, they were searching his car. It wasn't painted over properly.
Alright guys, M4 versus Alfa Romeo. Let's go.
He's gonna win.
My car's slow, bro.
Watch, it's gonna cut all my power. Okay. I won.
Yeah. it's this one.
What
What the
fuck
world?
are you, what are you doing, bro?
Oh, I want to see what he does now.
Yo, what?
Yeah. There we go. Here's the Mustang. Probably gonna do some Mustang things.
Crashed into something. Let's see if I can actually do a burnout.
Yeah, you're gonna do a burnout, not a donut, right?
Yeah.
All right then.
Oh, that
Second.
smells good.
All right, and go whenever you're ready. Man, look at the smoke trail, guys. Here we go again, guys.
Hella blood noise. They cut it out. All right, go. It's only one wheel. I know.
Guys, that was. Yo, guys, just look at the amount of rubber it laid down.
Oh dear. That's tired, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah, what do you think
he
we
got
were
into
fucking
the
doing?
tread.
Like, you got those shoes on, silly.
Alright, so it's safe to say this was an absolutely epic evening, guys. And so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please be sure to browse the channel and subscribe, and I'll see you next video.
Go hard, accelerate, no, I won't sell myself out that way. There's something inside that takes over me, and I'm losing my mind.